Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of you are asking me that you don't have the new section here in the Windows 10 operating system that I showed you, which is in the Settings app, the Mobile Devices option, and said, how does this go on a PC? Well, how do you get it? So technically it was there with Patch Tuesday. If you installed the security updates this week, which contained the update, and that will show you here, KB update history. So the update was, if I go faster, here it goes, KB 503.92.11. When this was installed, and actually it's a new feature that probably comes from the bug fixes that were late in May. But if you have KB 503.902.11 installed, when you go to your Settings app, you should see the new Mobile Devices tab and the options. So this should be there and it should be working. If you don't see it, remember that Microsoft has this crazy way of sometimes not sending all of the features to everyone at the same time. So it could simply be that it's still not yet for you, or maybe depending on the country where you are, maybe it's not available everywhere yet, but this is where it is from. So if you have the latest Patch Tuesday security updates that appeared this week of June 2024, that new feature, that new option of mobile devices and managing your devices and adding devices should work and should be there on the PC. And also, of course, because it's the bug fixes from May, fixes quite a few little things that some people were worried about or didn't work well. So check it out. It really should be there if you have the latest update. If you don't, well, you know what? Wait. It might appear magically one of these days. You know how Microsoft works. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.